According to preliminary information, the fire was caused by a drone hit. Governor Mikhail Razvoze wrote on the Telegram messaging app. Earlier today, the governor also said that no one was injured, and according to information, the depot was hit by 2 drones. Moreover, Sergei Aksyonov, the Russian-appointed head of Crimea, said on Telegram that air defense and electronic warfare forces shot down 2 drones over the Crimean peninsula. The open fire was extinguished in an area of 1,000 square meters. Russian officials have blamed the attacks on Ukraine. A spokesperson for Ukraine's armed forces said he did not have any information to suggest Ukraine was responsible for today's fire. Sevastopol, on the Crimean peninsula that Russia annexed from Ukraine in 2014, has come under repeated air attacks since Russia sent its troops to its neighbor in February of 2022. 6 children are among 23 people killed by a Russian missile hitting an apartment block on Friday, April 28th, according to Ukraine's Interior Minister Ihor Klimenko. 9-year-old Yaroslav Hanson laid flowers near the portrait of his classmate and friend named Alina. We studied in one class. She was his friend. He played with her the day before yesterday. She was a good girl. We played freeze, we played catch, we played games on the phone together during breaks. She was nice, good, and fun. A father of 2 children who were killed in the attack could be seen weeping near the destroyed apartment building. You're a military man. Damn you. How could you give such an order? How? This is war. People die everywhere. Boys, children. God, when is it going to end? It is most likely that people are still trapped under the rubble, but we don't know the number of people that could be there and the number of people that were here before the strike, so we need to clear the rubble first. The wave of Russian missile attacks overnight was the first since early March. Russia had launched such attacks almost weekly for most of the winter, but they tapered off as spring arrived, with Western countries saying Moscow was running out of missiles.